Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you from Pine Island Center right behind me. The main access, the only access to get into town here. And I am currently standing a little business area, barber shop I like to go to. This is where the subway was for years and isn't. You can see their roof kind of all peeled apart on them. We got the Circle K over there, which is finally running off a generator. Looks like the Ace is open and all that. What I'm here to talk about is a 2 weeks difference. I packed up, I left, I got down here, couldn't get on the island. They wouldn't let me over to where the boats were to take me over. So then we had to go up to Burnstorm Marina and hitch a ride up there for a can of gas. Got over to the island. We had water for a couple hours a day to start out. We had no electricity, but my solar's up and running. Generators running everywhere. Gas at a premium. Premium getting fuel over here to people. That's what it was when I got here. Since then, it's been work, work, work. The electricians, the bucket trucks, the counties, they had to get that road built through Matlacha so they could get all that junk out here. Did that about a week ago. And just yesterday, the Turbine Guy in his neighborhood got power. Well, we lost it again, but then we got it back again. So for the first night in a couple of weeks, we weren't sleeping in steamy, hot, sweaty conditions. Finally had a chance to get a good night's sleep in nice conditions. So coming down here with this place completely devastated and leaving with it rebuilding and starting to go back together. That's Pine Island. That is Pine Island strong, and that is what's going to build this community. All these people coming down, nonprofits, serving food, helping people out, that really helped me. I got some of the best barbecue I ever had over in Matlacha coming back. And these are all people who aren't asking for anything. We have people going door to door delivering water, delivering ice. Everybody pulling together from around the country to help this community rebuild. And when I get back down here, a few weeks when I get a chance to, I can start doing some of my major repairs after the insurance people come through. I bet this place is going to be looking like getting back to some normalcy that it hasn't seen since Hurricane Ian hit. Turbine Guy, signing out.